Welcome to Blossom. In this video, you will learn how to configure and manage knowledge and social tools. In the primary menu, head to the Management section and then to Domain Management. In the Modules tab, you will find different types of knowledge management features that are applied to the whole domain. For example, Content Creation feature enables to create a content based on file. In the same way, you can activate a text-based content creation. If you activate an LTI feature, you have to set all needed parameters of LTI providers. To set up an LTI provider, go to Domain Management and then to Providers. By activating a content sharing, you open an access to the Knowledge Center, which enables to share content and view shared content in both Knowledge Center and workspaces. And if you activate a user's content feature, you let all users upload content of their own. In order to set up social tools, go to the Organizational Social Network section. By activating blogs, you allow all users with the role blogger to create a personal blog, which will be available in users' personal profile and can be shown in different portals. If you are a workspace manager, you'll be able to add a blog tab in a workspace and to create a personal blog that can be shown in other portals as well. If you activate a chat, you turn on a chat component for all users. By activating discussions, you enable to lead discussions in workspaces. If you activate Like feature, you allow users to click on the Like button on content, assignments, and discussions. Just the same with comments. By activating this feature, you allow to comment on content and assignments. The next feature is Comments Files, that allows attaching a file to a comment. Please notice there's file size limitation for this option. And the last feature is Gamification, which enables badging for activities and engagement. If you want to manage content categories, go to the Management and then to the Categories tree. Here you can build different categories for your knowledge, which will help you sort it and then search and retrieve it easily. To create a new category, click the plus button. Write a category name and then save it. The categories can be updated anytime retroactively. You can also change a hierarchy of categories by simply dragging between them. Another effective tool for sorting and retrieving knowledge is tagging. In order to create a new tag, go to the Management and then to Manage Tags. Here you can find different tags organized by topic. To create a new tag, simply click on the plus button, then fill a tag name and optional topic. Please notice that only authorized users with relevant roles can manage categories and tags. The system allows to manage permissions of content. In the primary menu, head to the Management and then to the Content Permissions. Here you can find a list with short description, the date of last modification, and a name of the user who modified it, a category, and content owner. In order to give permission to other users, click the lock icon. In the pop-up window, you can select a user and give him relevant permissions. There are two types of permissions. Read, which means that the user gets an access to the content. He can also share it and create assignments based on this content, but cannot edit it. And Write, which means that the user can also edit the content. There's also an option of giving permissions to multiple content at the same time. Simply select Needed Content in the checkbox and click a lock button above. In the filter, there's an option of selecting a content with no owners, which may be helpful when a content owner left the organization. Additional content permissions you can find in workspaces. Let's access one of them. If you want to give a workspace manager an option of sharing content with the workspace users and sub-workspaces in hierarchy, go to the Users tab, select Relevant Manager, and click the lock icon. Then check a Share Content option in Permissions window. If you want to give a workspace manager an option of tagging content as official, go to the Settings tab, and then in the Content section, check the box Show Only Official Content. In this video, you have learned how to configure and manage knowledge and social tools in the system. So, welcome to Blossom.